Hey there, if you're in sales, you know the hustle. Leads, leads, leads. But there's something that often gets overlooked, how we speak to and nurture those leads. I'm going to let you in on a little secret. It's not just about getting leads, it's about what you do after you have them. Think about it. You spend so much energy capturing those elusive contacts, but once they're in your pipeline, how are you treating them? Picture this, you're a gardener. You've got a garden full of plants. Your leads, do you just water them once and expect them to flourish? Of course not. You nurture them, you talk to them, you make sure they have what they need to grow. Same goes for your leads. Communication is key. It's not just about the pitch, it's about building a relationship. When you speak to a lead, you're not just selling a product or service. You're solving a problem, fulfilling a need. They need to know you get them. Here's a tip. Active listening. It's a game changer. Instead of thinking about what you'll say next, truly listen to what your lead is saying, their needs, their pain points. It shows you care and helps you tailor your solutions better. Next up, follow-ups. Not the annoying kind, but personalized, value-driven follow-ups. Send an article that might interest them or a case study that resonates with their situation. Show them you're thinking about their success, not just your quota. And don't forget about the power of storytelling. People connect with emotions and stories. Share success stories, anecdotes, and real-life examples. Make your leads envision themselves as the hero of their story, with your product or service as their trusty sidekick. Now let's talk about nurturing. This isn't a one-time thing. It's an ongoing process. Keep the communication lines open, even after the sale. Check in regularly. How are they finding the product? Any issues? How can you help further? Remember, a lead is not just a number or an email address. It's a person with hopes, challenges, and goals. Treat them as such, and you'll see not just a boost in sales, but in customer loyalty too. So the next time you're chasing leads, take a moment to think about what happens after you catch them. Nurture, communicate, and build relationships. That's the real key to mastering sales. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. Let's make sales not just about the numbers, but about the people behind them. Catch you in the next video.